guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Radiant Diva Skincare. So guys, I'm so sorry my subscribers. I know I've not been coming online, I've not been dropping video because I've been so busy with my training and busy making products, selling products, making products. So sometimes to come on YouTube, I just feel like I feel so there's no time, no space, no space to come on YouTube channel. So but trust me, I'll be dropping videos now. Guys, today we are going to be making whitening, or rather lightening. Let's just keep it lightening, okay? But still, it's still going to do the work of whitening. So let me just call it a lightening face cream. It's a lightening face cream and also treatment face cream for rough damage face. Okay, this is going to help for the lightening, and it's also going to help for rough damage face. So please watch this video from the starting to the ending, because you just have to take your time. I'm just going to be showing you the product that I will be using. I will be showing you the pictures so that if you want to get it from the market, you can just screenshot it and get it from the market and make exactly this formulation. So guys, here is my base cream, and this base cream is made with hydroquinone. Okay, this base cream is made with hydroquinone and salicylic acid powder and other we still have other whitening powders here. I used 4 powders in making my whitening base cream. So if you want to know how to formulate with hydroquinone, you can join the online training class, and you use your hydroquinone to always make your whitening base cream. Okay, so we also sell our hydroquinone base cream if you want to buy. Okay, this is our hydroquinone base cream. This is 4 kg. It is always sold in 4 kg. Okay, so for most people that don't know how to formulate with hydroquinone, so I normally make hydroquinone base cream and sell to them, because hydroquinone is very difficult to make. Okay, if you want to make hydroquinone base cream, it is very difficult to make, because hydroquinone, some people will make it and they will say after 2 days it has turned to brown color. This is my hydroquinone cream. I made this since 1 week now. And it is still looking fresh and white. It is not going to oxidize, because I have a lot of things that will keep it stable. Okay, not just vitamin E oil alone. There are a lot of things there are some secrets about hydroquinone. There are some things that you have to add to hydroquinone products that will keep it stable. Even for 1 year, it is not going to change color. Never. It is not going to change color. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding some products to my base cream. So guys, we're going to be using Clinicare. Okay, you're going to add this Swiss Clinicare. You can screenshot. This is the tube. So this is good when it comes to lightening. Yeah, they wrote whitening, but I don't just want to call it whitening. Let's just keep it as lightening. So this is the Clinicare whitening Swiss formula tube. So I'm going to be using 2 pieces of this, okay, to make our facial cream. I'm using 2 pieces. Okay, press it in. Guys, sorry, my base cream is 500 ml. Okay, my whitening base cream is 500 ml. You can see there is no color, there is no difference between the Clinicare cream and my whitening base cream. They are both white. So most people always find it difficult to formulate with hydroquinone, because hydroquinone is very trickish. You can dissolve your hydroquinone powder. Under 1 minute, it will crystallize again. Okay, it will also crystallize again. So there are some techniques that you can use to keep your hydroquinone stable, and the pH of your hydroquinone product must be acidic. Don't go beyond 4. Don't go beyond 4 if you're making any hydroquinone product, because if the pH is more than 4, your hydroquinone product is not going to be stable. It's not going to work. It's going to change color within 2 days to 3 days. No matter the kind of product that you add into it to keep it stable, it's still going to change color. Okay, So our next product is the Kojic Clear Lemon. Okay, you can use any Kojic Clear, but this is what I prefer using. I don't know, I've been using this one for a very long time. I think they have Kojic Clear Carrot, but I prefer the lemon because we all know that lemon is very great when it comes to lightening. So I'm using just one of this one. I'm going to use just one of this. So I know most of you will be asking me how many percent hydroquinone powder that you can use. You can use 2%, you can use 4%. The maximum strength of hydroquinone powder is 4%. That is the maximum strength. Okay, the maximum you can go is 4%, so don't go beyond 4%. So I'm going to be using Ideal cream. This is made from Italy. This is the Ideal cream. So Ideal cream is good for melasma. You know, there are some faces you will be seeing. It's not ringworm. The face is not burnt face, but I don't know if it is melasma or things like that. You know, so Ideal cream is going to help to tackle things like that. So that is why I say this is a lightening face cream and also a treatment face cream. Lightening and treatment. I'll be using 2 of the Ideal cream. So our online training class is still going on. If you want to join the training class, I train with video, I train with recipe notes. I will tell you where you can get your ingredients. It is online training class, okay? Effective products. So yeah, I'm going to be using white patches eliminator oil. So this is for white patches. You know, there are some skin or face, you see them having white patches. So this oil is for white patches. It's going to help to eliminate the white patches. So this is a lightening cream and also a treatment cream. So this one is just I think I have to measure it. It is very important I measure it. Okay, just more than 1 spoon. This is more than 1 spoon. So we are going to use our City Plus lightening serum, and I'm going to be using 3 spoons or 2 spoons rather. 1, 2, 3. Let me just empty it. No, I don't want this face cream to be too oily. Okay, so the next oil that we'll be using is body repair treatment oil. You can see this is for burnt face, not just burnt face alone. This is for sunburn, this is for acne pimples, this is for black spots, this is for eczema, and this is for skin reaction. Okay, so look at the name. You can just screenshot if you want to screenshot now. You can screenshot. So I will be needing 2 spoons. So if you don't have this oil, you can use the kojic acid oil, but I prefer this one. Kojic acid is just lightening, but this one is going to lighten at the same time, tackle skin problems. Okay, so yeah, I'll be using my perfect face cream. This is the perfect face cream. This is for anti-pimples, sunburn, bobo tigbo on your face, and it also helps with lightening. Okay, so I'm going to use 2 of this one perfect face cream, so you can screenshot it. I'm using just 2 of this. Okay, this is very small and still is not full inside. If you want to use 3 of this, you can use 3 of this, because this is 500 ml of cream. But I don't want to use more than 2 because I don't have them much. I still have another face cream that I will be making, and I still need this perfect face cream inside. So just use only 2 here. But for a 500 ml, you can use up to 3 or 4 perfect face. Okay. So now we are going to give it a stir. Just give it a good mix first. Okay, so I'm going to be using 1 spoon of the Clear whitening oil. Remember, we used the tube cream. So I'll be using just 1 spoon of the Clear whitening oil. And of course, you need vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is going to help you to stabilize your products. It's going to serve as an antioxidant. Okay, just going to add. It's going to expand the, I'm using 1 spoon. It's going to expand the shelf life of your products. So this base cream is made with glycerin already. It's made with propanidol. Okay, it's made with propanidol. So you give it a good mix. And I'm loving this face cream already. So natural, nothing, no smell. Or should I add a little bit of essential oil to give it a good smell, or just keep it simple? So guys, here is our face cream. I'm just going to put a little on my hand here. You see, this face cream is very liquid. It's going to dissolve on your skin immediately. Like, it's not going to be that hard, like massaging on your face. No. So when it comes to face cream, keep it very, very light. You can see it. Your facial cream should not be thick, because if your facial cream is thick, then you have to be massaging on your face for a very long time before it's going to penetrate. And at the end of it, your face may not even take it. Okay, so but if your facial cream is not heavy, if it is light, your face is going to suck in all the ingredients you use in making your facial cream. Your face is going to suck everything in, and it's going to start working. It's going to start working on your face. But if your facial cream is thick like a body cream, it is not advisable, guys. So I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up, share my video, yeah. Write me up on my WhatsApp if you want to order my products. I don't ship to Nigeria, I don't ship to Africa, but I do training in every part of the world, because it is an online training. But for shipping, I ship to the Europe, Dubai, US, Canada, Australia. Yes, I ship to those sites. Yes, guys, so I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye.